The funny thing about property investing is that they go steaming in to the detail. How do I find deals? What's my area doing? What's the due diligence? How do I find the demand? And they hear all of these little dribs of information, and they're trying to piece it together at such a granular level, they forgot what the big picture is. So on day one, I'm gonna give you a couple of principles that's gonna give you the mechanism, not just to get you started, but actually keep you in the game as you go down the line, and you may see challenges come up. So this is what I want to make available to you right now. You know, the mission of Real Life, and something really close to my heart, is that we design, create, and deliver the most life transformational experiences, coaching, and training. And that is to assist people to live the 5 freedoms: financial freedom, physical freedom, mental freedom, emotional freedom, and spiritual freedom. These things, when you tap into all of these and you start to discover your true potential by doing the right thing for the right reason, then, oh my goodness, that's when you really start to say, wow, I've got this much of power available to me. So this is what you're going to be working on. Because a lot of people, they say, hey, I want to invest in property to make money. I want to quit my job. So look, I'm going to help you right now, because there is a principle where people understand what is the number one reason why people do not get what they want. Do you know what it is? It's because they don't know what they want. And the second reason why they don't get it is they don't know why they want it. So this process is part of an experiential goal setting program that we do, but I'm going to bring it in here right now for you into this program. And the principle is, what is my outcome? So you need to know, before you even get into this game, what is your outcome? But whatever it is that you want to do, you've got to get it nailed down right here in this outcome. What is the reason? What is the outcome that you want to get involved in all this property? And I believe everyone needs someone or something else in an environment to help them take that next step, to take that leap, to keep them on the edge of that place where you might feel, hey, I'm just comfortable now, I want to carry on doing this. So look, get your call scheduled, speak with one of the team. I'm excited. I want you to realize, I want you to see what more is available to you in life. What more is available, and what more Real Life Group and I and the team can do for you, with you, because that's the ultimate beauty. I want to do this with people, and the more people I serve, the more effective I become. So if you want to be a part of this, and you want to take yourself to the next level, you want to figure out, hey, how can I make this happen for myself? Then get your call scheduled. There's only limited times. You'll see when you click the link, and we'll be speaking to you very soon. This is now day one. So this is where the action starts. So are you ready?